Your parcel has arrived. The rider blank it at 8 o'clock. Delivers, has delivered, delivered, will have delivered. Wait lang, baka may malito sa has arrived kasi nasa present perfect. Baka ang isipin, ang hinahanap din natin dito para parallel is present perfect. But remember, magkahiwalay silang sentences. So, hindi dahil naka-present perfect yung first sentence, magpa-present perfect ka na din dito. Bakit? Kasi meron tayong at 8 o'clock and that is a specific time indicator. And since meron tayong past time indicator, obligatory na ang simple past. Regardless kung yung naunang sentence ay present perfect. Simple past natin, past form lang naman ng verb. So, alam ng simple past dito? Letter C, delivered. Your parcel has arrived. The rider delivered it at 8 o'clock. Now, yung structures na magkasunurang ganito, nangyayari siya kadalasan kapag nagbibigay tayo ng isang piece of news. Kagaya nito, your parcel has arrived is a piece of news na sinasabi mo in the present perfect. Now, kung magbibigay ka na ng additional details or further information about dun sa news na yon, in this case, about dun sa arrival ng parcel, ang gagamitin mo na is past simple. Yung pag-deliver ng rider at 8, additional information yun dun sa pag-arrive ng parcel mo.